In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your notepad is either not opening or not working in your Windows PC. At first, go to search bar and type settings, open it. From the left menu, click on apps, and then from here, go to installed apps and search notepad over here. And from the three dots at the side of notepad, click on it and click on advanced options. Inside of here, we just need to scroll down slightly until you find this reset section over here and click on repair it first and then click on reset and click on reset. Once done, you can close this window and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then there are a couple of few more options available for you. For that, go to search bar once again and open settings once again. From the left menu, go to apps and then to default apps this time. You scroll to the bottom where you will find related settings, and here click on choose defaults by file type and search over here txt and click on notepad and make sure notepad is selected over here and click on set default. And then you can close this window and now go to search bar and type cmd this time. Click on run as administrator. So command prompt opens as an administrator. Click on S and here type this command. I will provide this command in the description for you to copy. sfc space / scan now and hit enter and wait a few minutes for this scan to complete. It is just going to scan all your core Windows system files just to ensure that everything is in order and nothing is broken or corrupted. So once the scan gets 100% completed, you can close this window and then you can check if that fixes your issue. If not, go to search bar once again and open off settings, go to apps and then to installed apps and here search for notepad. Click on the three dots at the extreme right side of notepad and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall and in few seconds the uninstallation will be completed. Once done, you can close this window and head over to search bar once again and this time type Microsoft Store and open it and in the search bar at the top type notepad and hit enter. From here, click on Windows Notepad and you will find an option where it will show get. Just click on it to install it. Once done, you can check if that solves your problem. If not, go to File Explorer and then go to this PC from the left side. Open up local disk C. Go to Windows. Scroll a bit down till you find System 32 over here. Just open it. And scroll a bit down till you find an section over here and here you will find notepad.exe. We simply need to right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes and this should solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.